How to check air distance on Google Maps. Hey everyone, in this tutorial we're going to see quickly how you can easily check air distance or displacement on Google Maps. Now let's just jump right in. First off, you need to go ahead and open up Google Maps on your device. So just tap on it to open it up. Now you want to find a place from where you want to start measuring. So I'll just go over here, zoom in on the map, and I'll just find a place to drop a pin. So I'll just go over here and let's say if I want to start measuring from the east side of this Rose Park, I can just long press on here, drop the pin. Once you've dropped the pin, you can just swipe up from whatever is showing here, and then you need to tap on measure distance. Once you tap on it, you can just zoom out and you can measure distance in a straight line, also air distance. So let's say from here, I want to go east, somewhere east, and I'll just drop it right here on Mount Juliet. You can just tap on add point by clicking on the plus icon. And as you can see here, it will keep measuring from this distance. So up to here, it was 25 kilometers. And if I just keep going on from here to Lebanon, I can just drop it here. Again, it's going to be 45 kilometers. You can go as far or as near as you want. So I'll just go right here on New York, somewhere roughly around here. It's going to be around 1219 kilometers. So that's how you basically measure air distance on Google Maps. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video down below and subscribe. I'll catch you in the next one.